Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy method on how to send money from your Chime to your Cash App. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because that actually helps me out. So let's get started with the first method, which is to link your Chime bank to your Cash App. So to do that, you have to open your Cash App. Then from there, tap on your profile icon, then tap linked bank or hard bank. So from there, you have to select the bank manually, then enter your Chime routine and account number found in the Chime app under the settings. Then you can also click on the account information just to get the account routine number or your account number. Then once linked, go to the home, then add cash. Click on add cash, then enter the amount and confirm with your PIN or your Touch ID or your Face ID. And here's another method on how you can simply send money from Chime to your Cash App. You can use your debit card or on your Cash App. So to do this, you have to open your Cash App, then go to link bank, then tap on add debit card and enter your Chime debit card details. Then from there, use the add cash to transfer fund instantly from your Chime to your Cash App, and that's how you can simply send money from Chime to your Cash App. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.